We're here today in the Jocassee Wilderness area. We're going to go do a quick hike about 2.6 miles to Virginia Hawkins Waterfall. We're about to hit the trail now. So on this trail, there's a couple of water crossings too, so be aware of that. And then you're walking on a gravel road most of the time. And right now we've been going downhill the whole way, so that means coming back you'll be going uphill. So just keep that in mind too. So there's also a good many campsites out here. We are at 1.26 miles in though, so you gotta pack all your stuff in with you. But some really nice campsites, and they're really close to the waterfall, so we'll be there in just a second. Virginia Hawkins Waterfall. Super easy hike, 1.35 one way, so they were right on the 2.6 miles. Out here exploring and enjoying the day. Y'all come see it. Decided to keep going down Horse Pasture Rd for a few more miles, and we're gonna head up to Jumping Off Rock. We'll show you guys in a minute. Jumping Off Rock.